Hello and welcome back. We are just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing 319. If we start with this box, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 there, so 1, 7. For this column, looks like we're missing a 5. For this box now, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 and 7 here, so this is our 8. I don't see any other help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this column, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 3 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 3 here, so 5, 3. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 4 and 9. With that 4 here, that makes this our 9, 4. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 6. I don't see any help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 2 and 5. And I don't see any help. 2, 5, 2, 5. For this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 2 and 9 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 6. And if the 4 can't be there or there, it must be here. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. Don't see any help here, so 5, 6, 8, and no help here. 5, 6, 8. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 5, 8. 1 here, 4 here, means 5, 8. 1, 4, 5 here, makes this our 8. That 8 makes this our 5. That makes this our 4, and this our 1. That 5 makes this our 2, 5. That 2 makes this our 9, 2. We can get rid of this 5. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this column, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this box, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. That 8 makes this our 6, 5, 8. That 5 makes this our 6, 5. 6 makes this our 7, 6. For this box now, we are missing a 6. And for this box, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 2 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next and last of this volume puzzle.